Ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever wondered what $1.7 million tastes like on wheels, well, spoiler alert, it probably smells like Italian leather, gleams like a Vegas showroom, and flushes better than my buddy Carl's apartment toilet. True story, his luxury condo hasn't had working plumbing since 2022. Today on CampAvto, we're diving headfirst into the kind of motorcoach that makes other RVs curl up into their slide-outs and cry. Meet the 2024 Prevost X3-45 VIP, custom-built by the wizards over at Russell Coach. This rolling mansion doesn't just have a steering wheel, it has 2 full bathrooms, a bunkhouse, and a private suite with more attitude than my ex's Chihuahua. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and slap a like on this video, because trust me, we've got more rolling palaces coming your way, and we'd hate for your feed to be filled with boring sedans instead. Now, let's break it down like it's prom night and this Prevost is the DJ. Starting at $1.7 million, 1.55 million euros, this beast comes with just 17,000 miles, 27,358 kilometers, on the clock. That's barely broken in, like Carl's gym membership, but way shinier. Built on the legendary Prevost X3-45 VIP chassis, this coach is engineered to hit 1,000,000 miles or more, assuming you treat it better than my neighbor treats his lawn. On the outside, we've got full-length slide-outs for maximum square footage, blackout windows for that, celebrity on tour, privacy, and every system, from electric to plumbing, custom fit by RC. Step inside, and it's hardwood floors glowing under LED lights, dual-zone climate, an entertainment setup worthy of a Super Bowl party, and more carpeted storage than a suburban housewife's closet. The bunkhouse can sleep 2 or 3, depending on your party size, and there's a split bathroom setup so no one fights over the shower. But I believe the real cherry on top is the master bedroom. A walk-around bed with hidden storage, ceiling speakers for those midnight podcasts, and decor so coordinated it makes IKEA cry. No slide-out needed here, this room was built to impress even parked. So yeah, if you've got $1.7 million burning a hole in your wallet and a dream of conquering the open road in something flashier than a Hollywood tour bus, this might be your ride. And hey, there's a link under the video if you want to drool over more pics. Want to keep us on the road and laughing? You can become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's less than a bottle of gas station kombucha. Links in the description, folks.